human beings decided to leave behind some corn. And one of the squirrels have decided to partake in it. Birds are eating it too. Little bit of human environment interaction, even if it is, in this case, a little remote. No humans around, well, no humans around other than me at this explicit spot. There are people everywhere else around this park, but you have corn left behind, and the birds and this squirrel are enjoying some. Human environment interaction is one of the themes of geography, and here at this park, where there are a lot of trees, a lot of green space, a place for human beings and animals to be, a place where corn was left behind. Some nice person decided to leave some corn behind, and animals are eating it. The ducks are gathering around, and they are partaking of the corn as well. This is stuff that ducks should eat. It's not good to feed ducks bread. It's good to feed them stuff like corn. If you like this video, check out other videos on this channel. And as always, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.